Hi everyone and welcome back to page Multimedia Arise. I am Sotheany and today we will learn 3 words from lesson 16. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first word is live. Live. Live we can spell L-E-A-V-E. Live. For example, God will never leave you alone. Live. Okay, the second word is sent. Sent. We can spell S-E-N-T. Sent. For example, I sent my friend a gift on her birthday. Sent. And the last word is firstborn. Firstborn. Firstborn you can spell F-I-R-S-T-B-O-R-N. Firstborn. For example, I am a firstborn son. I am a firstborn son. Firstborn. Okay, now we will repeat it again. The first word is live. Live. Second, sent. Sent. Third, firstborn. Firstborn. Okay, thank you so much everyone for your time watching this video. And please don't forget to comment all your sentences down below. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, you can click the link that we drop it for you. Bye bye. See you in the next video. God bless you.